Entering transactions is easier than ever in Big Easy Accounting for Google Sheets, where only a few steps are required for entering clear and concise entries. Simply choose the sheet where you would like to enter your transactions, such as the checking sheet. So here's how you can enter transactions. And what you would want to do is always put in your date in column A and then a description. Let's say we're paying contract labor help Muriel, and we are going to put her check number here, and the amount would go here. And generally you need to put in a main category, but if you're using a subcategory, it will automatically fill in for you. So you can look up your subcategory name would be Muriel, and once you enter it, it will also enter in the main category, which is contract labor, and it's adjusted the bank balance, and that's it for a transaction. But if you want to enter in a transfer, that's a little different. That would be, you would put in your date, and let's say you're transferring to savings, and you're going to want to put in the amount here for another $400, and then when you come over here, you would type in start typing in savings and click on savings, and this will automatically adjust the bank balance, and it'll automatically put that $400 into your savings account, so you don't have to do that. It's going to show up here, and that's it.